Okay, so today we have here the JBL REFLECT FLOW, truly wireless earbuds. So these earbuds really do not have any wires on them, they're completely wireless. So they come here with the hands-free calling, so they also have a microphone built in. They come with the ambient aware and the talk through feature. That means you can hear what's going on around you without even taking out these earbuds, which is really helpful if you're running outside. Then they are IPX7 waterproof, so they can be basically used up to 1 meter in the water for 30 minutes. And they come with a pretty big battery, so they support 10-hour battery life, and then they also come with a charging cradle that provides 20 extra hours of battery life. So you can charge these on the go, and a 10-minute charge gives you 1 hour of playtime. Okay, but now let's start here with the unboxing. Let's open this package up. We start out here with the different ear tips. We have here 3 different horn sizes and then 3 different ear tip sizes. Small, medium and large. The medium size is here pre-installed. And then you have the small and the large in this additional box. Then we have here the quick start guide. Let's go through this really quick. So I'm just going to show you here the images here, what's written in here. If you want to have a closer look, maybe just pause the video so you can see this closer in more detail. And then all the way on the bottom we have here the instructions for the blinking patterns of the LEDs and their meaning. Okay, so now let's keep going here. Oh, here this just came falling out from the bottom. This is here the charging cable, USB to micro USB, pretty much standard for JBL still. And then let's take a look at the charging cradle. Here this nice box. It has the JBL emblem, the logo in the front, and then if we take a look at the back side, you see here the micro USB charging port, and underneath here that's I believe 3 LEDs that show you the battery charging state. You can see how full the battery of the charging cradle is, and then we have here this magnetic lid that keeps the box closed, and then in here are the indents for the left and the right earbud, so you can put them in there to charge and to store them safely. Okay, so next then we have the earbuds themselves. You can see here how you take it out of this box here. You just squeeze it from behind, carefully pull it out. So these is the medium size horn and the ear tip. It is pretty easy to replace these with the different sizes. You see these are 2 pieces. You pull off the ear tip. This is here what you see then. It's not the transducer itself, but you can see the cover for it. And then you have here, in this case this is the right earbud. You can pull off here this horn. Really easy to do. Not too easy, it doesn't just fall off, but you can relatively easy pull it off if you want to change it to a different size. See here this rubber piece. Oh, let's have a closer look here at the earbud. You can see here this hook that holds the rubber in place, and then you have the 3 dots here, those contacts to charge the earbud. You have the JBL logo on the outside. This is actually a button, so you can press that, has functionality. And let me quickly install the horn again and the ear tip. Okay, and now here you actually can see here there's another LED here in the right ear tip in this case here, so it's blinking blue and red. I think it wants to be paired to my phone. And then the left earbud here, it looks just the same, just for your left ear. Has the 3 contacts for the charging. And now let me show you here really quick how you just put the earbuds into the charging cradle. Here the cradle is actually also magnetic, so the earbuds won't just fall out, so they are safe in there. See, you can turn it upside down, shake it, they won't fall out, they're safe in there, so you don't lose them. The lid is also magnetic, so that stays shut at all times. See here. Okay, yeah. This is already it here, the JBL REFLECT FLOW wireless earbuds. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to check out my other videos about these earbuds, and yeah, also if you have any questions, then leave a comment below.